The tech world just got flipped upside down and nobody saw it coming. Everyone thought Apple was going to quietly drop the new budget iPad this spring with zero hype. No big stage, no flashy lights, just a sudden update on their website. But March came and went. Then April passed, total silence. The iPad Air got its big moment, but the most popular, affordable iPad in the world was completely missing. A lot of people thought it was delayed or canceled. But behind the scenes, something much bigger is cooking. New leaks reveal that the iPad 12 is not stuck in development at all. It is actually sitting in warehouses right now, fully finished and ready to ship. Apple is just waiting for the perfect moment to pull the trigger. If you look closely at the clues, Apple actually gave away the release date themselves. During their recent earnings call, the chief financial officer let a massive detail slip. He warned investors that tablet revenue would look weak for the quarter ending in June. Why? Because last year the June quarter was boosted by the launch of the A16-powered iPad. If Apple was planning to launch the new budget iPad before June this year, their revenue numbers would look amazing, not weak. This proves we are not getting the iPad 12 in the summer. Apple hates launching major hardware when everyone is on vacation. Instead, they are lining up a massive drop for September or October. They want this iPad to launch alongside their brand new software updates right before the massive holiday shopping season begins. Now you might look at this new iPad and think nothing changed. The rumors say the outside shell is going to look exactly the same as the current model. No crazy new design, no premium titanium frame, and no wild color overhauls. But honestly, that is actually a good thing. The entry-level iPad is built for students, families, and regular everyday users. By keeping the same body design, Apple saves massive amounts of money on manufacturing. They are passing those exact savings directly onto you. Instead of wasting money on a fancy thin frame, Apple put every single cent of the budget into the internal hardware. What is changing on the inside is going to absolutely change the game for budget tablets. The current entry-level iPad runs on the older A16 chip. It is decent, but it is starting to show its age. The iPad 12 is rumored to skip a generation entirely and jump straight to the powerhouse A18 chip. This is a massive performance leap for Apple's cheapest tablet. We are talking about a lightning-fast CPU, incredible graphics performance, and a massively upgraded neural engine. Why does the neural engine matter so much? Because that is the secret sauce required to run Apple Intelligence. Right now, Apple's advanced AI tools are locked behind their most expensive premium devices. If you want AI, you have to buy a Pro phone or a high-end Mac. But by putting the A18 chip inside the budget iPad, Apple is about to bring advanced AI to the masses overnight. Think about how this changes the entire experience. This is the tablet that kids use for homework and parents use for casual browsing. With Apple Intelligence built right in, it becomes the ultimate everyday tool. Students will get smart writing tools that can proofread essays, summarize massive research papers in seconds, and rewrite paragraphs to sound more professional. The Mail and Notes apps will automatically organize your life and create quick summaries of long threads. Even the standard Spotlight search will become incredibly smart, understanding exactly what you want even if you type a vague phrase. All of this processing happens right on the device, meaning your personal data stays completely safe, private, and lightning fast. These are not complex features meant for professional video editors. They are useful, everyday helpers that make life easier for regular people. The absolute best part about this entire strategy is the price tag. The current base iPad sits at a very friendly price of $349 with 128 GB of storage. Apple knows that this specific price point is their sweet spot. It makes the device incredibly accessible for school districts, college students, and families buying a shared living room device. If Apple manages to keep the price right around $349, or even a slight bump to $399, they will absolutely destroy the competition. Once third-party retailers start offering their usual holiday discounts, you will likely be able to grab this AI-powered machine for even less. It completely redefines what a budget tablet can do. My honest opinion, if Apple pulls this off, the iPad 12 will easily be the best value tablet on the entire market. You should not care that the outside design looks familiar. In fact, you should celebrate it. By focusing purely on the inside hardware, Apple is giving this device an incredibly long shelf life. A stronger chip means this tablet will receive software updates and security patches for many years to come. It will stay relevant and fast long after other budget tablets slow down to a crawl. This is a massive win for consumers who want premium features without paying premium prices. Apple is just playing the long game, waiting for the software to be flawless before they press the launch button. It might look boring on a store shelf, but in your daily life, this is going to feel like a massive leap forward. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon like.